Welcome back to the channel. So we are leaving Poldice Mine behind on the Cornish TET, and on Trail 7 serves us a proper little classic really. Now I used to ride my mountain bike down these exact tracks, but wrestling a quarter-ton of engine bike past the old engine houses is a completely different game. The ground is hard, fast and compact until we skirt past the edge of the mountain bike sort of playground area. It's a little bit muddy. I swear I almost had the correct turn nailed at the end, but the standard navigation rules apply. I decided I was going the wrong way and went the wrong way. So we had to muscle the heavy bikes through a massive U-turn whilst being watched by the mountain bikers of the area. So that was fun. Stick around, see if we actually make it out of here, and follow us onto the next trail. Hopefully you're enjoying the trail so far, and hopefully it makes you want to come down and have a little look at our trails for yourselves. Anyway, I'll leave it there.